everyone, and happy Tuesday. Hope your holidays are going well, and thanks for tuning in to another video where we talk about using the Pocket Option Broker for binary option trading. If this is your first time visiting my channel, take a moment in your free time to watch the previous videos so you understand what we've been talking about up until now. If you like the tips and strategies that I'm sharing each and every day, then consider hanging around, turn on your notifications, smash that like button, and leave a comment if you have some time. As always, it's great to see these types of comments, letting me know that you are grasping the information that I'm putting out each day in my videos so you can learn to make money with the Pocket Option platform. And as always, I want to give a shout out to Monica, who went from $50 to $350 on her first try signing up for Pocket Options. And then we have Andy. He says that he deposited $175 and moved it all the way to $850. Then we also have Dyrone. Dyrone basically took his account from a measly $200, as he says, and he moved all the way to $3,000. Now, none of these people did this in 20 minutes, nor did they do it in a day. It took them several weeks to do it. Either way, they reached their goals and they're happy to report, so therefore I will give them a shout out. Now let's talk a little bit about trading behavior. When you are starting to trade and you find yourself taking about 10 to 15 trades back to back to back, I've said before, you already know the process. If you're able to do that, that means that you understand the setups, you know where to take your entries, and you're having success in your trading sessions. One thing to always keep in mind, that is a lot of trades to do. Consider scaling back and maybe doing 1 to 3 trades a day, getting a goal, having a purpose, and know where you're going with your trading session. Okay, let's talk about candlesticks for just a second, because many people have asked about the different colors of the candlesticks. A bullish candle is a green candle. A bearish candle is a red candle. What you will see is that the bullish candle, which is often green or white, closes at the top. Every candle has a high, low, a close, and an open. A bullish candle closes at the top and it opens at the bottom. A bearish candle, which is often red or black, closes at the bottom and opens at the top. So this is just a brief explanation at what you're seeing when these candles are forming, allowing you to make the best entry possible during your trading session and be successful. I believe I've mentioned this website before, Investopedia. It is a great resource to use if you want to dive deeper into getting a full understanding about candlesticks, patterns, and so forth. Now, today we're going to be talking about the RSI strategy. This is a powerful strategy as far as I'm concerned. You will see the signal follow along with the candles, giving us a clear indication on when to take our entries. We're going to put the RSI on 4. Watch how these trades play out.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Yeah. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight. 'Cause it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, come home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight. 'Cause it's Christmas time. I try to figure this out, but I never could. Oh, baby, come home tonight and let me hold and squeeze you tight. 'Cause it's Christmas time. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.